Welcome back to Disabled and Prepping, and today I'm going to show you a few tricks that I use to help me prepare meals. And one thing that I use to help prepare meals, and one trick that you could use if you don't have a knife with you. Let's just say you have to evacuate or whatever, and you grabbed a few cans of chicken or something with a pop top. Um, this is just, I had mentioned a while ago that I said that you could use the pop top as a knife, and I'm going to show you that today. This is one of these things that grab the pop top. It doesn't look like I'm going to be able to do it one-handed, but anyways, it grabs the pop top up here. Usually I hold the can. I'm actually getting it. There we go. And it will... I'm not going to be able to do it. Anyways, you put it in there, in this little spot here, and you push it forward, and then you rock it back this way, and it peels the top off for you. But I'm not gonna use that today because I don't want this curved, and I'm gonna have to pause you because I'm currently making our dinner and part of the rice is ready. So, all right, I'm gonna put you on pause for a second. Okay, while I was off camera getting the rice out of the microwave with the rapid rice cooker or whatever, I took the pop top off and got the chicken out. I drained it and got some of the fat off of it. So here's how you do it. You put your finger in there. It's not very hard, but I mean, it's one of those tricks that I've learned that if I needed to, I could use it. So then you just take it. I'm trying to use it through the camera, so it's a little weird. All right, I'm just gonna focus on it and then look over. So then you just take that and you just chop it, which chops up the chicken. It wouldn't chop anything hard like carrot or anything, but if they were cooked carrots or canned carrots and you wanted to make them smaller, you could do that. So then you just chop. Sometimes your finger gets too far down there and it kind of is uncomfortable, but it can easily do it if you never needed to. I mean, this is kind of like one of those, emergency things. But it chops it really nice, as long as you're not looking through a camera trying to chop it up. Yeah. So then I just take it like that, try to get most of it off. I'm trying to do this. I'll do it off camera because I'm trying to do it through the camera. And then, I'm just going to put that back in the container for right now. So yeah, it can chop things up. I mean, is pretty fine actually. I could sit here and do it longer, but I'm just gonna dump some rice in there, and yeah, it's a really big bowl. But I wanted enough room to show you how I do that sometimes, especially if I just don't want to deal with knives because most of you guys know that I have troubles with knives sometimes with my dystonia. So with the lid, I can just chop it up quickly. It's not like using a knife. And if I do have a problem with my dystonia, more than likely it's not gonna really hurt me a whole lot. Jeez, my words. So anyways, that's a trick. I guess I will show this another day when I can figure out a way to do it one-handed. But yeah, there's the pop top lid trick that you can use in an emergency. All right, everybody, have a wonderful day. May God bless each and every one of you to overflowing. And may God keep each and every one of you, your friends and family, safe. And I'm going to finish our dinner and have dinner. All right, everybody. Stay safe till next time. Bye for now.